Hello everyone, welcome back. Today I am excited to showcase my latest project, Aurora, a modern React e-commerce website designed to provide a fast, responsive, and seamless online shopping experience. Let's take a complete tour of the application. Let's begin with the homepage. As soon as users visit the website, they are welcomed with a clean and modern hero section that highlighted feature products and encourage them to start shopping. The design follows the premium dark theme with a smooth animation and responsive layout. Just below the hero section, you will find the why choose Aurora and trending option. Why choose Aurora? Here I highlighted the key advantage of the platform such as fast delivery, premium products and secure payments, helping users quick understand what the platform offers. As we continue scrolling, there's a customer feedback section where users can read reviews and testimonials from previous customers. This helps build trust and improves the overall shopping experience. At the bottom of the homepage, you will find a fully featured footer. It includes quick navigation links, product categories, customer care options, a help center, frequently asked questions, warranty information, 30-day policy, privacy policy, and terms and conditions, giving the website a complete and professional feel. Also, these links are fully clickable and redirect to the new page where you can get to contact with us to help. You can here find the frequently asked questions. You can read it or submit a query about anything ordering, payment, and product. And order ID is optional, so for now it is. And submit, we get the email, and then you done 30-day free easy returns, and warranty information is this, and privacy terms also. Now move on to the navigation bar. It provides quick access to the home, shop all, and shopping cart pages. I have also added a dark and light theme toggle, allowing users to switch between themes according to their preference. Along with that, users can easily access to cart and login pages. Now I am login and logout. Moving to the shop all page, all products are fetched dynamically from the dummy JSON API, ensuring that the product card displays the product image, title, price, and discount information in clean, responsive grid layouts. These are dynamically restored or loaded in real time. Let's open one of the products, like I want to open green chili pepper. Here users can view multiple product images. It's not include multiple. Let's get another this one. It's produce multiple product images, detailed description, pricing, rating, category information, stock availability, and other useful product details before making a purchase. The layout is designed to make product exploration simple and engaging. If I click on add to cart, the product is instantly added to the shopping cart. Notice that the cart budget updates immediately without refreshing the page. This functionality is powered by React Context API, which manages the cart globally across the application. Now let's open the shopping cart. Here users can review all selected items. Like I select this one, so I see this one. The card data is also stored using local storage, so even after refreshing the browser, all selected products remain saved. Next, in the login page, I have implemented a guest login authentication. Once logged in, users can see I log in through this one. Overall, Aurora is built using React, White, React, Router, DOM creation. Also, when if I go to proceed to checkout, if someone try to access checkout, login checkout. Here you can see the delivery address, name, street address, city, state, pin code, mobile number, all the payment option. I am check on delivery and I place order, and this will place order and option called back to home page. Now you also see my orders here. I previously ordered these two one also, and now I ordered this. So you can this here you can close history also. Overall, Aurora is built using React, White, React Router DOM, Content API, Fetch API, local storage, The project focuses on reusable components, responsive design, dynamical counting, global state management, and a modern user experience. Thank you for watching so much.